To enable Do Not Disturb option on Google Pixel 9, first go to your settings, then scroll down to find out notifications. Click on the notifications, then scroll down to find out Do Not Disturb option. Click on the Do Not Disturb option. From here, you will get Turn On Now button. Click on the Turn On Now button. And from here, you can turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode. Or you can also do one thing. Write down the notification bar and you will get Do Not Disturb option here also. You can turn on or off Do Not Disturb from here too, just by clicking it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.